In the radiant tapestry of progress, our commitment to a sustainable future shines brightly through the lens of solar innovation. At ODEOSIS, we believe in constructing more than just solar panels. We're building a legacy of environmental stewardship and energy transformation. Each meticulously crafted solar panel represents a cornerstone in our vision for a greener tomorrow. As we assemble these technological marvels, we're not just connecting circuits, we're forging connections to a brighter, cleaner future. Join us on this journey towards a world powered by the brilliance of the sun, where our commitment to green energy becomes a beacon for a sustainable, thriving planet. Together, let's illuminate the path to a radiant and renewable tomorrow.